Nested in the Aravali ranges, JAWAI is blessed with beautiful landscapes, and has an ideal terrain for leopards. Amidst these beautiful landscapes is Aravali Nature Camp, a luxury camp in the laps of JAWAI. We offer luxurious tents equipped with all modern amenities. A restaurant serving delicious food from farm vegetables. Campfire, lotus pond and an outside sitting area. All surrounded by tranquilizing nature, making us the ideal place for your luxurious stay. We are also equipped with a team of experienced people to deliver you mesmerizing experiences. You can enjoy other activities like leopard safari, jungle safari, bird watching, crocodile watching, and JAWAI Dam visit. Come experience the serenity of JAWAI, and witness the most secretive and elusive wildcat, in its natural habitat.